YouTube, it's Jason613GT here, and thanks for the 9 subscribers. It's okay if I didn't get 10 subscribers. I'll reveal all my magic. Let's get started. The first thing, this is just my new magic. First thing is this paper. I'm just gonna show you first the thing. In YouTube, I just fold this thing. It's a paper. There's nothing. Look, the back it's normal. The paper here is at the front. And I'm gonna do this magic. Look at it. It's at the front, the paper. Wait a minute. And here is it. Wait. Look. It's normal, right? It's at the front. And when I count to 3, this back paper will go to the back of this paper. Look, it's normal. And let's go count. 1, 2, and 3. Look at the back paper. It's at the back. And let's back it up again. 1, 2, 3. It's back. It's back. Let's go. Go it back again. 2, 3. Look at it. And this magic, I'm gonna reveal the secret. Sorry. Gonna reveal the secret. This is the secret. The paper has been folded like that. So that's why it's going back. It's folded up. 2 are normal papers, but they are folded. These fold in half. This is nothing, but this will fold like that. And if you want to do this, you gotta cover this line at the back and don't show anyone. And this, you're gonna insert it inside and cover it and say it's normal. And look at it. It's a front. If you want to let people know that it's back, just show it, cover this line. Look at that. If you want just to let it go at the back of the paper, just do this. Say count 1, 2, 3, and fold this down a little bit, because if you pull this down much, it will see this. People will know. Just put it like that, and they see the paper goes at the back. And again, just fold it up again to get it back. 1, 2, 3. It's back. That's the thing. That's the magic. I mean, that's a reveal. And we're back, guys. Look, this is a new magic. It's normal paper, right? It's normal. And this is normal too. So I'm gonna fold it into half, like that. And this one too. Fold it to half. Wait a minute, guys. There you go. And it's half now. And I'm gonna put this inside. And I got a blob. I'm gonna insert it through this. The paper's gonna hold. Look at magic. I'm gonna insert it at the middle. Yeah. Look, it's at the middle. And I'm gonna chop this down at the bottom. Look. It's broken. And when I get it, the paper has a hole on paper, but the second paper doesn't have any holes. So that's the second magic. And for this magic, the reveal is you got two papers folded, and the one paper has a secret. At the back of it, it has a hole. Know how to do this hole? Just get any of the ball pen and insert it. That will fit in this ball pen. And this secret paper must fold it, get it inside of it. Never let anyone see that hole. If you want to see the paper, just hold the hole so no one will see that. Yep, there you go. Fold it, get it in, and do this. You got this at the middle, right? The middle. And insert this ball pen through the hole. Insert it. And it's going backwards. So that's the secret. And insert it. There's another hole, get it out. Just pull this one. Yeah. Let's say this paper has a hole and this paper has no hole. That's the secret. And hey everyone, we're back, guys. We got paper. This is my magic. Look, I'm gonna pass through this. My underarms. Yeah. Yeah. And it's gone. Not even up my back. And I'm gonna cough it up. That's